So today I'm working on a 2015 Ford Mustang, replacing the door latch on the driver's side. I just removed it. It's a pain. You would have to remove the door glass in order to get to it. There's a 10mm on this side, 10mm on the other side. In order to remove that glass, also you're gonna have to remove this piece right here. It's the guide for the glass where it slides. There's a 10mm on the side of the door and another one on the top. Once you remove that, you would have more access to it, but it took me a while to unhook it. So after you do all that, this white piece here, you're gonna have to put it up, then you're gonna slide it towards you, towards the front of the car. That way you can have more access, more free movement on there. I use Torx 27 and 25. So 27 to remove this 3, and 25 for these two right here. That one right there and this one. This is the one I'm installing. So after that, there is this piece. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. That orange one, and that one right there, that hold it together. So once you remove those two, you're able to get it out. So that's how I did it, like that. It comes out like that, so I just twisted it this way. I didn't have to loosen this up or anything, so just stick it in there. And now the fun part is going to be putting it back together. It did took me a good 30 minutes or more to figure it out, since I didn't see any videos online. So that's it. Good luck.